the IceHouse is a business incubator, and our goal, our mission, is to turn early stage startup businesses into globally successful companies. So what we're doing is taking young entrepreneurs or seasoned entrepreneurs with a young idea through from market validation all the way through to development of the business, to getting the first customers, to getting the business up and running to a stage where it's ready to scale both locally and then internationally. So I think BizSpark is a tremendous initiative from Microsoft, who are also a partner of and sponsor of the IceHouse too. The great thing about the program is providing your technologies to young organisations so that they can get to understand them, to work with them, to develop with those programs at an early stage and integrate them core into their business from day one, so that as they grow and develop, they're using state-of-the-art technologies, they understand where the business is going, they understand where the software is going, so that they have a future mapped out ahead of them, so they're in the right place using the right tools in the right way. Well, the IceHouse delivers, I would say, 4 core things which are fundamental to the success of any startup business. First of all, there's expertise. We were the first incubator in New Zealand. We've been going since the early 2000s, so we've been going for 8 years now, and we have a wealth of expertise in terms of understanding how to build a customised program for young startup businesses, how to develop, how to grow, all the things you need to do. So we've got systems, tools, processes in place that enable the swiftest acceleration of your business, or if it's not going to work, a rapid emergency stop, so that you stop that one and move on to something a little bit more positive with a greater chance of success. Moving on through an environment, we have a really great environment to work in here. It's a hive of activity. There's a great buzz in terms of working with a group of other entrepreneurs. We typically will have up to 20 organisations in here at any one time. There's a constant flow of experts from all around the world, fascinating people coming in, and you never quite know who you're having a coffee with. We have a structured coaching program with experts who have been there and done that to guide you through the path. We have an extensive network of a mafia, if you like, of Kiwis around the world and other experts throughout Asia, the US and Europe, able to connect across a variety of industries at very, very senior levels, who are able to get rapid feedback on ideas, approaches, meetings for our residents, so we can make connections very quickly to accelerate that path. And also access to capital. We have the Ice Angel Network, which has got 90 high net worth individuals who have invested over the last 5 years over $20 million in startup businesses. So those are the key things that we bring to the party. But New Zealand has a great reputation for entrepreneurship as one of the most entrepreneurial countries in the world. It's no different in the software area. As we often talk around the ease of starting up a business based around software, as a colleague recently said, all you need is a laptop and a bit of software and you can get going relatively quickly. I think that matches very well with the Kiwi psyche, and the size of the market I think helps significantly in terms of people having a broad view of business and how it operates, and an understanding therefore of how to integrate new thoughts and new concepts across the complete spectrum of business, and to understand where needs significantly exist and can be addressed. There's a plethora of great ideas that come into the IceHouse and work with the guys that we work with at Microsoft and through the BizSpark program. I think that's a really great way to funnel that enthusiasm, to provide tools, expertise and capability in and around entrepreneurs to help them get going. So to me, I think the environment is right. It fits with the psyche and the culture. It fits with New Zealand's geographic isolation, in that we can maybe try stuff a little bit differently here because we need to. And also because it's software, it can scale internationally relatively easily, so therefore it's a great product and a great business to build on.